The cosmic reality within each atom is the truth. The only way to attain liberation is to realize this fact. The soul is never born, nor it dies. It can also never be destroyed. The unborn, the surreal, and the immortal spirit never disappears even after the body disappears. This is a story of faith and belief. It is also ridiculously unbelievable. You can either believe it or not believe it.
In this modern world, our marriage was surely one of its kind. Isn't it, Prashant?
That's right. Just like in the snow, in the sea, and on the mountains, people go for adventurous journeys, and our marriage is just like that.
Anyways, it's not us running away. Everybody at home knows that we're coming on this trip. Our first trip together. Isn't it funny?
Who's the villain? Your dad, or is it my dad? Or is it the astrologer who predicted all these things? The great astrologer, Damodar. My ancestral house. I was born and brought up there. Though husband is alive, she lives like a widow. My mother. Some astrologer predicted, it seems, that they should not live together. Men can't live in that house, they say. When they both split, just on that astrologer's words, in reality, I was totally left alone. When in my personal matters, my mom started interfering. We stopped speaking. Then we got split.
I came to know. Really, I was scared. Won't you come as early as possible? Won't you?
From that day, when your father went to meet that astrologer who made my mom live like a widow, our story starts from there.
2,000 years before, experienced ancestors had seen the comets, had predicted about Jesus' birth. I also belong to that group. Some people tell that astrology is mathematics. It will not go wrong.
I know that. She's my one and only daughter. After compulsion, she accepted this marriage.
Everything has been decided, right?
Yes.
So an adjustment for an auspicious time. Is there any way showing in your system, my dear friend? Huh? Now everybody are using the iPod, laptop and other systems. Prediction and astrology time is over. Now people are believing only this computer.
Whatever you're saying, it is right. Till now, whatever you said, I have obeyed it. All my rise up till now, your prediction is there.
No, this marriage should not happen. It should not be conducted at all.
What foolishness are you talking? How can a person like you believe in all these kind of things? This is so sad. I feel pity for you.
Each one of them have their own belief, may inspiring others to believe that. Yeah.
You fixed a marriage for which I was not ready at all. Now you are asking me to back off.
It is not with belief or unbelief. This is connected with your life.
And that's exactly why I took a stern decision. Whatever hurdle comes in my way, I am ready to face any of it.
After listening to production of Master, your mom is mad. She is still praying to save you.
Let her pray all the time. I don't have any problem with that. But then, on the decided date, everything will happen.
Darling, you didn't tell me anything.
This is not according to my wish, Daddy. I just wanted to grant your wish. After fixing my marriage, now you're asking me to back out. In this 21st century, you are blindly...
Darling, behind the growth of this industrialist, the Master's prediction was there. His precious words, I can never deny it, my dear.
Daddy, I've never considered any of my wishes ever. I have decided, if I'm marrying someone, it has to be him.
No change?
No.
The smell of a brutal and cruel murder. It has made your children mad. And nobody will be able to change your children's decision. That's it.
Tsunami and earthquake was predicted by you. As it is like this. As I was in abroad, I was never able to convince my son.
I am not equal to God. False predictions I will not be able to give anybody. But still, I will have to tell. This should not happen at all.
Is there any solution?
Listen, we are not going to go anywhere and we are not meeting anyone. Please don't think that I am holding anything against you. I have come here to invite you for my wedding.
If the marriage is going to happen against my prediction, they should not enter their house after the marriage. Because the people of that house will also be affected. Let me be very clear. 7 days, that is exactly 168 hours, their life chart will end there.
It's been only 1 week after the service. I don't know what happened.
Is it really far to reach your guest house?
I'll call a mechanic. You do one thing. You take all the luggage. It's not very far from here. We'll walk and go.
Oh, this looks like a huge cave.
Yeah.
This place is very famous for the rocks. I've been told that long years before sages used to stay here. It's a very old story.
Who's that?
Anyone who talks about the truth about tomorrow is mad. Anyone who foresees the future in the paths of darkness is mad. Anyone who doesn't know about tomorrow is an idiot in hell. Hey mortal, can't you feel the burning smell of human flesh all around? Can't you hear the noise of flesh-eating vultures? And the howlings of jackals? That chariot blocked your way.
Who was he? I really got scared. He's mad, right?
Did you get frightened? No, he is not mad at all. He is a new incarnation. Even though I have stayed in a lot of different countries, I don't know why. When I come to this place, I get some special energy.
I forgot to ask you, whose house are we going to?
No, it's not a house. It's a guest house owned by Mr. Thomas. He is an old friend of mine. Whenever I come to my native, I usually stay at his guest house. And he is a small-time politician too.
Are there other tenants there?
No. He gives it to only his very close friends.
So, we're going to be alone?
Isn't that good for a honeymoon? Careful. Slowly. There might be thorns below. Don't stamp on it.
Okay.
Because this is where angels used to dance and run.
Oh.
Come. Be careful.
Yeah. Oh,
Huh?
it's been long since we started walking. This place looks very familiar to you.
Isn't that why you could enjoy all this greenery and nature's beauty?
Beauty in this isolated forest.
Oh, beautiful. You have a very good sense for admiration. Come, let's go. And listen, if we walk this way fast, we can reach there very soon. How's it?
To me, this looks like a ghost house.
Why? Are you afraid?
Why should I be scared when you're there with me?
Listen, don't forget what the astrologer told you.
Oh, yeah. Looks like there's no one here.
He told me there is a watchman called Bhaskar, but I don't know where he is. Can't see anyone here. Bhaskar! Where is this person gone? Bhaskar! Come,
Yeah.
let's see. Wait. This is the first time we are entering a house. So get in with your right foot forward, okay?
Yeah.
Bhaskar! Where is this chap hiding? Bhaskar! Hey, Bhaskar! Let's go and check in that room. Such a big house and no one is here. Huh? Come, sit here. If you want to get freshened up, there is a bathroom inside.
Yeah, okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. There's a woman inside the bathroom.
What? Where? Come. There is no one here. It is just your imagination. Hey, what is it? What happened? Bhaskar?
Yes, sir.
Where the hell were you hiding? Who else is here?
Yes, sir. There is a family. They are living in that outhouse. You don't worry. I am there for you.
And is that why you were frightened?
These are all Mr. Bhaskar's tactics. No.
Hey, it's okay. Unexpected meeting. I never thought I'll meet you. Overcoming all obstacles. Finally, we got married.
Yeah.
I never thought all these things will happen in my life, but it has happened. Everything happens for good.
I never wanted to get married. It's the astrologer's prediction that brought me here.
7 days and 7 nights, 168 hours. That's how long we are going to live together. And in that, already 10 hours are over. Now there is only 158 hours. So, listen, people usually talk during their first night, but I am not like that. Who could it be at this time? What is it?
It's very cold outside, sir. I am not able to sleep at all, sir.
So what should I do?
I know that you won't like my tapping your door at this time, sir.
Yes, I didn't like it.
You were in Gulf, isn't it? Do they sit or stand while boozing, sir? No, sir. I meant small. Thomas are told to give special attention to you.
I don't take alcohol.
Yes. He told me that also. Maximum 1. Come on.
Hey, don't pull me.
My dear sir, before the first night, if you take this, you will get double energy.
Where is your wife?
Sir, if I want to see my wife, I should see the auspicious time. Yes.
Cheers.
What a capacity this fellow has. Only strong people like you can drink like this, sir. You are really great. If you say 1.5 pegs, I will not at all agree, sir.
Pour me one more.
If you keep drinking like this, when you go to your bedroom, you will fall flat. Then your wife should not scold me when she sees me tomorrow.
Pour me one more.
Oh my goodness, he is going to defeat me today. I think I will have to lift him to upstairs. Do you want any support, sir?
Shut up.
Please go carefully. Careful. If he goes like this to upstairs, definitely something is going to happen.
Where is she gone? Why are you standing there? Sorry, darling. I'm really sorry. I came a bit late. Sorry, my dear. I'm very sorry. Today is our first night, no? Don't worry.
Last night, you created so much noise. I got so scared. I slept on the floor, you know.
A politician will not have anything to talk except politics. That is the reason I told you. The base of our political party is interior south side. Maximum a population of about 1 or 2 lakhs. Whoever wishes, they can contest in the election. But the powers will be maintained only by our people. But it is not that we are violence-based group. The only problem is whenever the leader calls us, we have to reach immediately. That is the reason I could not meet you yesterday. By the way, how was your first night? Was the guest house comfortable?
Dad, I have come to talk to you about that. But Shirley madam should not know about it.
What's wrong? She has already started chatting with your wife. You know that? And except politics, she can manage anything in this world beautifully. My God, your wife will find it very difficult to escape from her. Let's not bother about that. You tell.
It's not like that, sir. It's a serious issue.
You always take things seriously. You serious, boy? Okay, last night how many pecks you had? The servant told me.
It's not that, sir. She is not a human being. Mandakini. Last night.
Can I go to
from
play?
here. Go and study in your room.
Please, Mom.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
My husband is always on tour. Whenever I feel bored, he started to rent that guest house to keep me engaged. But I don't go there. And you know one thing? One lady committed suicide over there. That is why we don't have guests coming in at all. Then our Prashant, he's never frightened of any ghost at all, you know. Here, take. My husband told me everything about you both. Astrologers' predictions, marrying even after all obstacles, and the reason why you're here for 7 days in our guest house. Everything I know. Did you sleep well last night? Hope you didn't have any problems.
No.
Which means you have spent one night without any problems at all. As per astrologer's prediction, you have still 6 days ahead, isn't it? Come on, have it.
Why is he not giving me any answers? What should I do now?
In the intoxication stage, did he have any dream? Is he afraid because of that?
My dear, listen to this. You know this girl is a very good dancer, huh? She also sings. She was the best performer in her schools and colleges, it seems.
Is it so? Do you go for any fancy dress competition?
If she's an artist, then she should be doing that also, isn't it? Okay, why are you asking all these things?
It's not my doubt. Your husband's doubt. Am I right?
What doubt?
You saw that? It's his doubt.
So, as of now, it has been 24 hours since our story has
Where are
been
you taking
started.
her?
In that case, why don't we celebrate?
Who?
We can ask our guest Mandakini to organize the function.
Okay, we politicians like artists very much, so you can continue. But I have only one request. The music should be a very old one, because nowadays music cannot be enjoyed at all, you know. Nowadays in the music, people are really missing the melody. Actually, I like a very old song. It is pretty old. Can you play it for me?
Oh, I'm really fed up with you. You must be talking about your old song, right?
Yes, it's the same one.
Oh, I've got enough of it. Whatever. You organize a function. Come on.
Come. The tune is like this. No, do, ta ta ta, la la la, la la, do do, ta da do, la la la, na na. Thomas sir had called me last night. Both of them were very happy. There is one more good news for you. For the past few years, Mandakini, who missed her cultural activities, enjoyed last night very much.
She sang?
Yes, they all made her sing. Everybody enjoyed it. And Prashant is a very good admirer also.
Whatever the changes I see, it's very good for us. First time I feel Master's words will go wrong.
Who are you? Who are you? You frightened me. Who are you?
What happened? Why are you so dull?
Tomorrow we have to go home.
We thought of returning after 7 days, right? What? Are you not well?
What mosquitoes, hey? I said, sleep near me, man.
Is this the same place he said? Anyway. Stop. Oh, my mom. My dear mommy. Hey, stop. Where are you taking me? Oh my God. Who are these people? This should be the operation theatre. CQ operation theatre. Spelling mistake. What should I do? Nobody is inside. Whatever. Or else, let me go inside. Please move your bum. You must be the doctor, no? Oh, she is your nurse. Oh, compounder.
Who are you? What do you want?
I am Kundan. One of our patients has been admitted here. Thomas. He came from Thomas Sir's resort.
Who are you? What do you want?
I am Raghavan's house's cook. Honestly speaking, Mandagini is our own child.
Oh, the guest who came to Mr. Thomas' house. Prashant Mandagini.
Yes.
I have told everything to Mr. Thomas. He has just gone from here.
Oh, I see. That means he is still alive. So sad. Nobody is here. Who is this black sheep? How can I place this? I don't know. It came off very easily. You should have some manners. Who is here? It was you. What happened to you? That and this. What? Oh, that is what happened. That is very sad. You keep this, huh? Keep this. He is still alive. That is very bad.
Are you standing here?
Hey! Why the hell are you standing here? See, there is no use of telling me that I'm a big politician. You're answerable for that murder, I'm telling you. Last night, you had a couple of pegs more, right? Shit. Now, what is the solution for this? If this continues, then the prediction will become true. Thank God the life was saved. There is no assurance and he can talk anymore in his life. And you are standing here and...
He thought it was me when he strangled the watchman.
Prashant, he's not that type at all. He's a nice person. Somebody is trying to create a havoc between you both. You don't worry. We are all here for you, no? Come. Don't be sad. Sometimes these suspicions may create a problem. But if you don't go with the reality, then it'll be a big danger. I think it'll be better if you both go for a counseling. That will really give you a change, okay?
Hi, Teresa.
No. You have forgotten me.
Who forgot you? Me? Can I ever do it in my life?
What about her?
Who she? In front of friends and family, she is my wife. I made a mistake. That I realized in the past few nights.
You never bothered to find out whether I was dead or alive.
When I left my village after fighting with Mom, I thought she will call me back. My mom, who grants all my wishes, she didn't allow me to do one thing. That is to marry you. She was so adamant about it. So I also didn't give up. I tried to contact you in many ways, but still I couldn't.
Your father, Mr. Brute Williams.
I am trying to forget about it. Don't make me to remember it.
Oh, by the way, how do you come here? I saw a person in the guest house. Is that your husband?
I will tell you later. Prashant, you've taken me along with you to your favorite guest house many times. You know that. How can I forget that so easily?
I am feeling guilty for this. Now,
Shall we play, baby? Ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. Who put the well? Where is she going in the middle of the night?
Shaji, I can't believe my eyes. I'm seeing you. I'd searched for you everywhere. Where were you?
That is what even I wanted to ask you. Where have you been?
Our soul has always been one. I've not been able to forget you. Till now.
I knew that you will come here. I can't foresee things, but just an illusion.
This is an unexpected moment. Especially after our wedding.
I was searching for you, not like a lover. I so badly wanted to find you.
Shaji, you can never forget me, isn't it? I think he's mentally retarded. Last night, he tried and strangled the watchman.
I came to know about it.
Thomas has told me that it was his dream. Maybe he thought that it was me. I'm really scared.
Like a shadow, I'll be always with you. Nothing will happen to you.
We had so many dreams together. We dreamed of living together. But fate didn't allow us to do it. At last, I have to live with a mental patient.
I came here to take you with me.
Shaji, if you call me, I'll come anywhere with you.
If I come and call you, will you come out?
I will. Even if I have to kill him.
What is happening here? Please hold me.
Which devil is this? Why do you see me like that? Me, Brute Williams. Me, Brute Williams. You don't know that? Do you remember me? Big financier. That's before. Now nothing. Everything is gone. Me, I want to see your boss, Prashant. I want him now. I want him now. Huh? Do you know why I hold this knife? This knife? Your boss Prashant, he cheated me, you know that? Huh? I want to kill him, tear him apart, and drink his blood fully. Then only my anger will calm down. Have you heard this dialogue before? My sweet little daughter, he cheated and ditched her and absconded. I came searching for him. I want him. Tell me where he is. I want him now. And I am not going to leave you. Tell me where he is. I want to kill him. I want Prashant. I want to kill him. What?
If I tell you my story, I don't think you will believe me. When I said that my wife is evil and a possessed woman, people said I am mad. But her fearsome form I saw on first night is still in front of my eyes. On the second night, she became a cobra. Whom should I tell all this? Who will believe me? Mr. Thomas says that it's because I was drunk that I saw all those things.
I know you very well, Prashant. Once you start to drink, you are in a different mood.
Won't you believe me too? Come with me tonight and I'll show you her real nature.
I am not going to come anywhere. From now on, I want only one person. That is you. Someday or the other, I was very confident that you will come here.
At the end of all this waiting, we have finally met. That too after our marriage.
I have decided certain things. Prashant, will you listen to what I say?
Whatever you have said, I've always obeyed. My marriage was a very big mistake. I have to set it right. You tell me, what should I do? You people were cheating me. You deliberately put her in my life.
What are you saying, my son?
She is neither mentally retarded nor completely mad.
What are you telling me?
She is a vampiress. A bloodthirsty vampiress who has come to drink my blood.
Huh?
I have decided now. Everything.
Son, don't do anything wrong. You both have a bad time now. Be careful.
How is this? This one, I bought it only for you. If there is a girl who doesn't like gold, it would only be you. Along with your chain, let this also be there. Now you look really gorgeous.
Thanks.
Look, don't you be wasting your time like this. Go outside sometime. You should be enjoying the scenic locations here.
You have been having your share of fun here, right?
Sir! Prashant sir! Where is the way? I lost the way. Oh my goodness, here it is. Thomas sir, our Mandakini madam is dead.
If you utter a single word, I'll kill you. Just like I killed her. I'll kill you too.
Leave me, sir.
Don't say anything to anyone.
No. I will not. Oh my God, today I'm lucky.
It's me. They call me Devadas. I'm a psychiatrist by profession. Also, I have got a power to indulge with almost the dead souls. You see, they're all my friends. Today I'm on a different assignment and I'm on the way. Look at me. Look at my eyes closely.
Who are you?
Who are you? I know that you are not Mandakini. What do you want? And what is your aim?
I want him. Prashant. I have to kill him.
You see, Prashant is your husband. Why should you kill him?
For me and Shaji to live together. Shaji is always near me. In this resort.
Whatever my Teresa says, I'll obey everything. She believes me so much. So tonight, this night.
As you think, they are not sick people. As far as I know, both of them have a past. She tries to listen to her lover. He tries to listen to his lover. This is dangerous.
What? Prashant has got a lover?
Yes.
Where are they?
In your guest house itself.
What?
There is one family who's staying outside the guest house. But they are the actual lovers of these couples. No, I can't believe this at all.
You should meet them personally and send them away. They should be removed from the guest house immediately.
For the old lovers, they killed the present loving couples. That was their aim. What happened to this younger generation? To know the exact truth, I must go to Prashant's past love.
Will he cheat you, daughter? Teresa? You will be believing him, but I cannot believe him. I have heard and seen many cinemas and serials on love. Everybody says it is a success.
No, Mom. Prashant is a nice person.
Maybe. But he is from a big family and a well-to-do person. But his parents, due to a misunderstanding, they are living separately. In that case, who knows he is also?
I know that very well, Mom. It's me whom he has right now.
I am really scared.
Oh, come on, Mom. You don't have to worry. Nobody will ever kill us, nor we will die. We will live together forever and ever. I will relieve you from all these burdens, Mom. And then we three of us, we will live happily. Okay then? Mom, this is a gift from Prashant. Can we take a selfie?
What a scene. When I'm not there, mom and daughter is taking selfie, huh? Give it to me. Give it to me. Good, my darling. Confirmed your marriage? This is his gift, right? Huh? Do you have something else of yours to show him?
You bloody...
That tree was planted by me 20 years back. When it became big, the first tender coconut was taken by me. When I can take a tender coconut from my tree, which was planted by us, can't I take one tender coconut from that? Can't I?
Somehow I made my dad agree for this. But mom is not agreeing. I don't think she'll approve of this relationship.
What will we do now? Can we elope?
My mom has got only me. Without seeing me, she can't live even a single day. I have a few ideas in my mind.
What idea?
I have to frighten a bit. Let this be a suspense.
Mom.
Son, we are poor people. I think you know about us very well. The person who is taking care of our family, I don't think he will agree to this. As early as possible, please escape and go elsewhere.
But for that, my mom also has to agree. Let's wait for a few more days.
I still don't know what I can do in this. Before I die, I had my hopes were only in Prashant. But one day, I came to know that he fought with his parents and left his house forever. I became helpless.
Don't shout. Don't shout. Don't shout.
Hey, you!
Hey, you get out.
Get lost from here! I say get lost from here! Go!
One day I'll get her. And I'll take it.
Almost every day, I became a guard for her. Not because I was afraid of people. Just because I feared that person. Just because she protested, he tried to kill her one day. Just because people came running, she was saved. The news spread everywhere that he tried to molest her and kill her. Everyone came to know about it. Same way Prashant's parents also heard this. For my daughter's sake, I went to both the houses many times and begged them.
Don't cry. Why are you crying? Oh, you hungry? I will give you something. Where is your food? Your food, I'll tell somebody to bring you food, okay? Don't worry, huh? Okay? Hello? Where are you, Prashant? See, our son is crying. He's been crying from last night. He's not taken anything. What, do you want to talk to him? Okay, here, Papa is on the line. Talk to Papa. Say hello to Papa. I told you not to cry. I told you not to cry. Don't cry. I'll beat you. I told you not to cry. Mom! Mom, please! Mom, it's hurting! Mom, please!
I killed her. I killed my daughter. Instead of losing her chastity, it is better that she dies. Yes. Even if he comes and sees the lifeless body of my daughter, he will definitely, because of that.
unlimited thoughts of the human mind. It's very sad that I am too not able to understand that. How did the murder happen? Who was the reason behind that? How can I find an answer for this?
Sir, the girl who loves Prashant, sir, is not alive, sir.
No.
That means she's a vampire. Can a vampire love a human being, sir? My head is spinning.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star away. Hey, it is that girl. Oh my God, please stop the bike. Hey, no, where are you going? I will tell her. I can't see anybody. Where is it? Oh my God, what he would have done to that girl. Oh my God, I want to tell my boss. Oh, where are you? Where are you? I can't see anything also. Hey, boss.
What is that?
Boss. Please hold this, boss.
I'm totally fed up with you, man. Can't you take which you can carry?
Oh, my boss.
What?
I want to tell you something.
What? What foolishness you are saying? I don't understand.
You hear me out and then decide. I want to see who.
What language are you talking?
I saw your daughter and.
Talk something I can understand.
I will tell you now, boss's daughter. You come here.
No love had long life. To approve the warm blood of youth, Frederick have to born again. To blow in her heart, to have a big dream. Tell my daughter not to do that.
I don't want any peace or justice. It's me who decides. By the way, what's her name?
Mandagini.
Mandakini. You can't leave just like that. I may agree, but did you understand?
Where are you? I can't see you.
I'm right outside your house. Nobody is here. Please come fast.
Okay. You wait right there.
Hey, stay there. I said stay there. Hey, don't run. Hey, I said stay there. Hey, come on. Hey, let's catch him. Hey, wait. Hey, don't run. Hey. Hey! I said stay there! Hey! Where are you running? You're trying to cheat our boss, right? Running! You're not leaving! Hey! Finish it, buddy! Hey! Come on! Hey! Let's take it. What should we do, sir?
Drop him inside.
He's burning!
One of my labor took the blame and now is in jail. Even though I escaped from law, but my heart, he kills me every day. I try to wash my sins of everything by doing a lot of sacrifices.
Sir, father had killed our own daughter. The same father killed the lover. I have one small doubt. Are these both of them devil, sir? I have one more doubt, sir. Our Prashant sir and Mandakini ma'am are they two devils, sir? Wherever I go, devil, devil, devil. No, no, devil, no, 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 devil, no, no, no.
Somebody's going to kill me! Please leave me! Don't make me run!
Don't run!
Somebody's going to kill me!
Hey, stop that!
Don't make me afraid! My boss! This bloody fool is trying to kill me!
Master, from morning onwards I'm starting to run, Master. That bungalow is full of evil spirit, Master. All conference. Yes, Master. 100% right. Even the priest told me that there's no living being there. Now I have a major doubt, Master. Am I also an evil, Master?
Oh my dear boss!
It's already 5 days. Caroline Frederick is under fasting. As Master told, we're doing all kinds of worships.
I can see one more danger.
What?
The danger expected is not an ordinary one. From mud, from air, from fire. It can come in any form. Solution is a must. It is totally a rare case. Everything against astrology, a very cruel tragedy. You will have to become a witness for that.
Apart from those magical activities, are there any remedies for this?
The magic scenes in films, some magic moments, that is what you're expecting.
No. I have to save them. That is my main intention.
Natural powers should be satisfied.
Is it so necessary?
The most important is spiritual powers should be satisfied, and that is far away from here.
Based on this voice, if my guess is right, he should be somewhere here around.
Who is he?
You come.
Who made garlands out of skulls? And after killing all the evil, someone danced like a madman. Who took this whole world and juggled it in his hands? To know who you are, you should first know yourself. To know who I am, You should know yourself. The feeling of knowing everything and that ignorant arrogance has made you gone mad. You don't know who I am. That's why I'm telling you. Just go away. In this mad, mad world, nobody can save anyone or love anyone. The real savior is watching everything and everyone from far away. He is the only truth. He is everywhere. He is the fantasy. He is illusion. He is illusion. He is unreal. He is surreal. He is God. Oh my God, please save me! Oh God, please save me! Please spare me for every time!
One supernatural power has conquered everything. I am not able to give a proper solution for this. You are the only person who can solve this.
Kids' lives are under danger. It was predicted. But they didn't listen to our words.
This modern generation will not believe this. Experience will not teach them. They would like to see their little life with a thrill. We somehow want your help. That's why we came here.
Nowadays, I don't go for any religious ceremonies. People who perform these type of spiritual activities and black magic have totally vanished. They have destroyed their life. After my age generation, it's all over.
Life and death, whatever our ancestors have done, everything had gone in vain. When the foreigners had shown interest into this, we insulted them and shooed them away. You are the only sacred person who is alive in front of us.
Help us. Please save us.
In this last moment, we don't have any way to go.
I am not the Almighty. As per your belief, I am not a mediator who can speak to God directly. And if people think that it is possible, it is totally wrong. Please, avoid me from this.
The strong faith that we have is the only strength that we have. That belief should be fulfilled. A good life for two human beings. A real freedom for two souls. You should come. It's our request.
I am able to see the two souls. Expecting freedom to come out from that. The human souls who's got a weak mind, they can control it as per their wish.
I know, Prashant, that this place is the most favorite one. And I know that too. That is why I decided to bring you here.
This silence. I love this silence a lot, do you know?
midst of the silence, there is a big danger. Be careful.
Whenever you are with me, I forget everything else. And I don't fear anything at all. Who did separate us? My dad? Or is it your family?
My revenge is not for them.
Then who? Is it to me?
No, certainly not. So you've still not really understood me, right? I want you to be there for me forever.
I know who you are. Your aim. I have not come here to prevent that. You can do it as per your wish. You're not Mandakini. You're not a human being also. Who are you? I wanted to hear from your mouth. Who are you?
I want.
For what?
I want Mandakini. You people separated both of us in a very cruel way. He
is regretting for that. He is ready for repentance. Whatever punishment you wish to give him, he is ready to accept it.
I don't want to see him. I want Mandakini, his daughter.
In this birth, that is not possible for you. In your next birth, she will belong to you.
No! Never!
Stop it! I said stop! That means you want her living body. Am I right? With the spiritual and godly powers which I have, I'm telling you, you have to obey me. Now I'm giving you a promise. I will unite both of you. No one can separate you. It's a promise. Promise. Promise.
I knew the word that you told me earlier. But then, how can I predict the correct truth?
She doesn't have a soul who's got a calm spirit. Her aim is destruction. That we have to prevent. At the same time, we have to fulfill her wish also.
I know what is your intentions about. A visual impact. Something related to a vision. A different type of a knack to attract the spirits, somehow related to magic. Am I right?
That's right. Time should not be wasted. All the present spiritual powers which are available in the entire universe. And if we need to satisfy the most powerful Almighty, we should satisfy the planets also. Most important, the Lord of Demons. Earth, sky, water, fire and heaven and etc. All should be satisfied along with the Lord of Demons. Only after that, we will have a solution for this. Everything should be conducted for them alone.
From today onwards, we are one. Not a single force can separate us.
I feel like someone has tied me up. I am not able to see anything properly. If I can see anything, it's only one form. It's yours.
Can't you see? They are getting ready. Nothing can go against me. Nothing can make us go apart. I know. He doesn't know about my power. They will never know about it.
I know everything. Enemies are everywhere. You know, like hunting dogs. They are following me.
Long ago, I had gifted you myself. Now, even if I die, my soul will always be with you.
Don't you hear? Don't you hear that noise of that madman? That is fighting me. I will not go back. No, never.
Today itself, we should go away from here. You are my only strength.
I want you. It's only you.
No one can separate us. Not anyone. In this world.
I know what you have come for. You have come here to help your friend. If you're planning to be a barrier for me, I will destroy you completely.
You see, I'm not a friend or enemy at all. If I take a job, I ensure that it's been completed. I know that there will be a lot of problems that I need to face. Here, the goal is only one. I want Prashant to be back.
Which Prashant? Who's Prashant?
There is a question towards this. The Prashant whom I am looking for. You have to leave him and go. Stop there. Without listening to my word, you're not supposed to go from here.
Are you going to stop me?
What's all happening over here? I've only seen all these things happening in the movies. Mantras, pujas, all these nonsense. My husband never believes in all these things. I think my husband is along with them now. What to do? When I see all these things, I don't know what I should do. I don't know why people believe in all these things. I really feel sorry for all those people. Take up Prashant itself. They made him mad, they hypnotized him, and then finally they hung him down the tree. Now you see he's hanging like a bat there. Now you don't tell me that you're an evil or you're like a vampire. Please, I can't take it. Mandakini, why are you silent?
Bring them. Come in.
Leave me!
Sit.
Leave me!
Make them sit inside.
Leave me! Leave me! Leave me!
Leave me!
Bye. Okay then, see you.
Bye. Finally, the headache is gone. What a mess, man. Hope they won't come back. Bye. We'll close the door.